All right, we're done setting it up. Let's see if I can drive it out of the garage now. She should fire right up. I just fired it up off camera to make sure that it wasn't leaking an absurd amount of fluids. It looked like it was, so we're just gonna fly with it. All right, it's been a couple of months since this thing ran. I was waiting on parts for so damn long. Waiting on parts and time. I'm a full-time painter, by the way. Also, yeah, I threw that in here because I thought it was really funny. I found it in a truck that my dad had a while ago. Where's my keys at? Again, I just fired the bitch up. I know it runs. Where's my keys? There's my keys. Come on, baby. Don't disappoint Dad now. That was a weird sound. Oh, well, we got something that looks like power steering. Something way easier to steer than was. Will I have to 2-footer? Maybe. I guess not. You might be straight. Alright. Well, now she's officially out of the garage. Would you look at that? Hell yeah. She is out of the garage now and under her own power. Get fucked. Ooh, we're on E.